Alright, so to change your case fan, first you want to unplug the power, shut down the computer, make sure that everything's off. Then the next step is to remove the case lid so you can get to the fan. Now, after you've made sure that all the power's off and disconnected, then you can unplug the fan itself from the case. Might just need a little bit of a wiggle. Once you've got the case fan unplugged, that should be the plug.
Yeah, that's my whole video.
Find the screws that connect the fan to the case and begin to unscrew them. The purpose of the case fan is to draw air through the case from the front, usually to the back, and suck the cool air over the components to pull the air out of the heat sinks that are found within the computer. This allows the computer to stay cool and work faster. Some computers have water cooling, but this is a video about case fans, so we won't go into that. Some computers have multiple case fans. They could have 2 on the front and 2 on the back, 3 on the back, however many your case might have. Each case is different. Once you've got the fan completely unscrewed from the case, lift the fan out gently, make sure not to bump anything else. Get whatever replacement fan you're going to get, or if you're just cleaning the fan, go ahead and clean it. When it's time to reinstall the fan, find the connector, make sure you've got the right side lined up. Should take moderate force, but not too much. When you're realigning the fan, check and make sure that all of the screw holes are lined up correctly. I'd recommend hand starting them so that you don't strip the screws or damage the fan. Once you've got them all hand started, and begin to tighten them. When you're tightening the screws, make sure you tighten it enough to hold the fan to the case without much vibration. But don't tighten it too far, it could crack the plastic casing on the fan or damage your case itself. Once you have the fan securely in place, tightened and plugged in, all that's left now is to put the case cover back in place. Make sure that that's on all the way. If we had a case screw, we'd put it there and reconnect power and everything, turn on the computer, and make sure it works.